We're finally on our way to the national park today, for real this time. I feel like I'm going undercover or something, like to war. But here we are. Isabel and Yulis, I cannot pronounce his French name. I look like Rebel Alliance. She looks like Motorcycle Star. So apparently elephant crossing is a thing, not normal things like deer or moose. Elephants. We have finally made it. Took forever. Alright, I've switched out of Alliance gear and gone to, I don't know, something. Oh, I keep thinking everything is a snake. Whew. Not sure what this noise is. Apparently it's a type of thug. From like southern France, they have them too. First waterfall of 7. These fish are like just chilling with all the people. Like you can go in there and swim with them. Waterfall 2 and 3. There is people in there. So these are fish that are alive, just chilling out. Come right up. Fourth waterfall. Sorry, lad. This is the third waterfall. With all these fish. Super steps. So. Some people pay so much money for this. I get it for free at the waterfall. It actually tickles more than anything. They're eating my foot. It's definitely nice. I could get used to it. Never going home. They are taking over my foot. Like all the way up the sides. Noob. So I didn't end up going to the 6th or 7th pools. I just ended up staying in there forever. I even went swimming with the fishes in there. I sat on that rock. It was amazing. Must do. Back at the first pool now, and these ones are much bigger. I don't know how badly I want to put my feet in there. So far so good, but they're so much scarier. Not exactly sure what this is, but it's here. It has legs. Lizard? Ginormous lizard. I saw this place on the way to the park, and now I want to stop and actually see it. It's just like some stairs and then a giant Buddha. I noticed before, but there's 2 other ones too. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to do here, honestly. There's like an altar of some sort. Looks like a temple, but there's no way they're gonna let me in with shorts and a tank top. And roosters! Roosters everywhere! I'm gonna go ahead and gas up out of these containers. What did I say? Roosters. Everywhere. Look, it's only like 8:12 and I'm just so tired. He's tired too. It's not just me. Yeah.